Still digging through your fridge just to grab an egg? This clever organizer automatically rolls the next egg forward, and it might be the simplest kitchen upgrade you'll make this year. If you're tired of cluttered egg cartons taking up valuable refrigerator space, the SMRCAD 24 Egg Auto Rolling Dispenser is a smart solution. Designed to hold up to 24 eggs, this compact organizer keeps everything neatly arranged while making it easier than ever to grab an egg whenever you need one. The standout feature is its gravity-fed auto-rolling design. Every time you remove an egg, the next one gently rolls forward into place automatically. No more reaching into the back of the fridge or opening bulky cartons. Even better, built-in silicone bumpers help cushion each egg as it rolls, reducing impact and helping protect against cracks during everyday use. Its two-layer stackable design helps maximize vertical refrigerator space, making it perfect for apartments, family kitchens, meal prep, or anyone trying to keep their fridge more organized. The flat top also provides extra storage for lightweight kitchen items, helping you make the most of every inch of refrigerator space. Made from clear BPA-free plastic, you can instantly see how many eggs you have left without opening the container, making grocery shopping and meal planning much easier. Despite holding 24 eggs, the organizer remains compact enough to fit neatly on most refrigerator shelves. With an impressive 4.7-star rating from hundreds of Amazon customers, it's quickly becoming one of the most popular refrigerator organization products available. If you'd like to check today's Amazon price, available discounts, and read real customer reviews, click the first link in the description before this deal sells out. For less than $20, it's a simple upgrade that keeps your refrigerator cleaner, more organized, and your eggs easier to access every single day. If you love discovering smart Amazon kitchen gadgets that actually make everyday life easier, don't forget to subscribe because we feature the best Amazon finds every single week. And if you're interested in the SMRCAD 24 Egg Auto Rolling Dispenser, check the Amazon link in the description for today's latest price, special discounts, and verified customer reviews before making your purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.